I have model WFP-14414 freestanding ice maker. It's about 4 years old. I have cleaned it and replaced filters regularly. It is making the normal quantity of ice, which now sits in about 2 inches of water. Is something wrong?
What's the make and model? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Kitchenaid.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, if possible.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Hello, this is Dave and I welcome you to Just Answer. I will need the Kitchenaid model number off the sticker on the right side of the ice bin. It starts with a K. Note, if you get a request for a phone call, it is an automatic request and can be ignored.
Sorry, it's a Whirlpool WFP-14414.
I'm not seeing anything with that number. Can you get the complete model off the model/serial tag?
I can't pull it far enough out to see the back of the unit because there isn't enough slack in the water line. On the door are these: form #XA 120167, part #W10570814. I have found another hash, P6WG2KL. Here you go, model GI15NDXCS, serial K424082235.
That's it. Just a second.
I have read the manual and see nothing about extra water in the ice bin.
That model is gravity drain. There is a drain hole at the back of the ice bin under the reservoir that empties down a tube in behind the ice maker. A normal installation would put that tube directly over a pipe in the floor, but sometimes plumbers will connect to that pipe and go to another drain. You will need to pull it out because I suspect the ice maker is okay and the problem is the way it is connected to the house drain. Dave.
I understand why that might be a problem, but it has been draining fine for years. What would change?
A lot depends on how it was installed. If they use soft drain line, it may be kinked. Could be clogged somewhere. When you remove the hose where it comes out of the ice maker, all the water will come out, so be ready. I have seen them clog up in the ice bin too when people put wine bottles inside and the labels come off. Check there first.
Okay, I'll check that first, but I don't have time to do that at the moment. Thanks for now.
You are welcome. I will be away for several hours myself. If you reply, I will get back to you when I return.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.